This is the helicopters that we're selling. This is one of my personal ones that we have for sale. The ones that we're selling are brand new in the package. So this one has the LED floodlight on it that shines down and around. Some of the other ones had the red and blue tail rotors, and they have some red and blue flashing lights up here. Really neat. So yeah, just gonna fly it and maybe wreck it into the ceiling once, just to show you that they are very strong. I've done it 1,000 times. Here, there you go.
Oh my God!
Come here, Bubby. I didn't say wreck it already.
Oh yes, Father. Father. This.
Okay, well there's one wreck demonstration. Here. Turn it in a circle. There you go. Alright, take it straight to the ceiling. Alright, now hit it again so that it actually works. Alright, there they are.